Welcome back to Booze and the Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and today I'm going to use some of these blueberries and some of these strawberries to make this, the Mother's Day Mamarita. But first, this. All right, so let's get into it. Today is Mother's Day. It's a day for your mama, your grandmama, your girlfriend, your wife, hell, that special lady in your life. Even your next door neighbor's grandmama or mama if they don't have anybody special to celebrate it with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cocktail that I found on Women's Health magazine, and it stars of all people, the Rock Dwayne Johnson. Now, in it, he creates what he calls his Mamaritas. And you know what? I thought this would be a perfect time to experiment and make that perfect cocktail for that perfect special somebody in your life. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab, of course, our shaking glass. Now, what you need to do is you need some fruit that your mama likes, and it's her favorite fruit. Don't just go get something she doesn't like because you think it's fruit. No, you want to get her favorites. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a handful of strawberry. We're going to chop the tops, sort of chop the tops, cut the end off if it's green, and what we're going to do is we're just going to quarter these. Now we are not muddling this fruit because this fruit is going to stay directly into the glass, okay? And we also need, I'm going to use another handful of blueberries. That's a lot of fruit. Oh, that is a lot of fruit. Maybe too much, but that's okay. Let's see what happens. The next thing we're going to need is tequila. Now, I'm using a Cazador tequila. If you have one that your mama really likes, use that one because you'll be putting all of those things in that she likes. So for this, we need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. We also need some lime juice. You know what? I don't need this one. I'm going to use this. And I'm going to go back to an old tried and true staple. I'm going to cut me a couple of limes and I'm going to squeeze me some lime juice. I haven't done it this way. Most of the time I use lime juice I've already squeezed, and I try and do something fancy for all of you. But you know what? Here we are putting some real effort into this cocktail just for your lady here, because you know what? They deserve it. And remember, you're going to adjust this recipe based on the preferences that she likes. So you'll find something that might be a little bit too tart or a little bit too sweet, but you're gonna get it there in the end for her, right? Very nice. Okay, so we need 1 ounce or 30 mils. Now the next thing, of course, we need is 1/4 ounce to 1/2 ounce of agave nectar. Now the fruit will sweeten this up, and you can choose a raw agave. I've just got 100% pure agave syrup, and we want, that's maybe a tad much, but that's okay. So let's get to it. We need a little bit of ice. Looks nice. And we're going to shake this for a good 10 to 15 seconds. Looking very nice, looking very nice. It smells good. Oh, you can just smell the tequila coming through, and I'm going to use this glass. And it's going to be really tight. But you know what? Look at that. Beautiful color, beautiful flavor. And you know what? I'm going to take one more strawberry. I'm going to quarter it. Because you know what? This is a day where I can do something that's just a little bit nicer. And I'm going to quarter it nicely on top here. And I'll put, I just lost a blueberry if you didn't see that. A couple more blueberries on top. The Mamarita. Now you can use different types of tequila. You could even use a reposado tequila, which would add a little bit of a smoky flavor. It's your choice. If she likes it, go for that. Oh yeah. Normally I don't like stuff with all the fruit in it, but I like it a little nicer fine strained. That is really good. I think she'll love that. You know what? Go out right now, make this for her. Choose different fruits, her favorites, whether it's mangoes, pineapples, kiwis, whatever. Put that extra little bit of effort in it, and you know what? It is well worth it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description below. If this is your first time to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way, every time I put up a new video, you will get notified. But if you don't like fresh fruit and you don't like a good tequila, hit the thumbs down button twice. And we'll see you next time. But what we're gonna do here is we're going to make a recipe, not an article. Now this recipe comes to me from Women's Health Magazine. Women's Health Magazine. Anyways, that doesn't really matter. No, actually it doesn't matter, stop.